Hi everyone and welcome to our lesson 91. My name is Professor Robert and in today's lesson we will solve word problems. Right, let's get right into it. We have a problem reading as such. Par on a golf course is 72. If a golfer shot rounds of 76, 68, and 70 in a tournament, what will she need to shoot on the final round to average par 72? Now, in this case, we will say let the final score, sorry, score be X. It follows that the total of the four scores will now be 76 plus 68 plus 70, then plus X, our final score. And the question is, when this is averaged, that's if we divide the total by 4, we should get a total of, we've got to get an average of 72 or an answer of 72. So that's now the equation that we have. And we can now move on to simplify our equation. So 76 plus 68 plus 70, that will give us a total of 214 plus x. And this is all divided by 4 to give us 72. We can then move on to multiply uh, by 4 on both sides. So if we multiply both sides by 4, the left-hand side will just remain with 214 plus x, and this will equal to 4 times 72, which will be 288. And then next, we'll move on to subtract 214 from both sides, 214. And on the left-hand side, we'll have x is equal to 288 minus 214 is 74. 74. So that's what our final answer will be. X is equal to 74. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson, and bye now.